Is on now for a man who shot another during a road rage incident right near the Harbor Tunnel yesterday.
It happened during the evening rush hour, and now Maryland Transportation Authority police are rushing to find the shooter. WMAR 2 News' Brian Kubler joins us now with more.
Kelly, we've all been cut off and we may have all reacted from behind the wheel, but a person who chooses to shoot another because of it is a suspect police would like to get into custody quickly. MDTA Police say it happened just after the Harbor Tunnel toll plaza on southbound 895. They say the victim was in a red pickup truck and cut off what they believe is a dark-colored Infiniti. A horn is about what you might expect to hear after something like that, not what this driver felt almost immediately.
His window shattered and he felt the pain, and he was kind of confused at first as to what had happened. He continued down a little ways and then found there's a wide shoulder there where he pulled off onto the exit ramp.
It was then the victim called 911. Thankfully, he survived and has already been released from the hospital, but this could have easily been murder. It's the reason why today MDTA police are asking for the help of anyone who's in the area and saw these drivers jockeying for position near the toll booth. But in addition to witnesses, police are also combing through any number of cameras they may have at their disposal. On a main interstate like this one, there are traffic cameras like you see here. These images actually taken last night just after the shooting. Or toll booth and Easy Pass cameras meant to capture tags as they pass through.
We're going to explore all the avenues of technology that we have access to, as well as any witnesses that may come forward. And we're hoping to piece all that together to get this guy off the street. We can't have somebody just driving around shooting people for simply cutting them off.
MDTA police say the victim is cooperating with detectives as well. Again, they are looking for a dark-colored, possibly black Infiniti. If you did see anything around that toll plaza on your way home last night, they'd like to hear from you.